Gadget time! Whoa! Buy me dinner first.
Whoa.
Jeez. Okay.
What?
That's a pretty cool
Let's
peeler.
see.
All right, next gadget. What do we got?
Let's
What do we got
see.
on the gadget agenda?
Okay,
We got
some
potatoes.
potatoes.
We got a dirty potato. Ooh,
And
you're
old.
filthy. You're a filthy, filthy, filthy potato. What do we got some gross gloves to clean off our potatoes. All right, we got some dough. We got some flour and dough. We're
okay.
rolling the flour
Wow.
dough. We're making a rectangle
Ooh,
dough. Some rolling. We're making some cookies in this
circles, yeah.
biatch. So what are we gonna do with them exactly? It looks like little pieces of like ice cream or like other dough or they're gonna be like little dumplings or pot
Yeah.
stickers. That's kind of cool. So next we have an egg popper cracker.
What a nice gadget.
Nice.
Yeah,
Watermelon?
Watermelon.
Watermelon causing you problems? No problem. Just roll it up. Roll it up. Get that watermelon. Urgh. And then you get nice pieces of watermelon for the kitties. Next we have garlic. Makes your breath smell but tastes delicious. So we're rolling this garlic, we're smashing it up, smash, 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 and that's the gadget, I guess. Now we have a bunch of fruits and veggies. We gotta keep our diet clean. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna press this button and it's gonna wash all of them for us. Wash all of them for us so we don't have to do all that like drainy stuff. To waste a bunch of time, it's not worth it. We can focus on doing our taxes and more important adult things. Now we have a spinny thing. We're gonna put some meat in it. Next, we're gonna press a button, we're gonna motor it. We're gonna motor it and it's just gonna chop everything up. So much chopping. Now we're taking out our meat. We're holding it in our hands. Hold your meat in your hands. Next, we get a pineapple. We get the pineapple cusper. We're getting out the pits of the pineapple because the pits of the pineapple can be very preposterous. So we want to just rip those out. Next, we have the pit stopper pulling out the pit of the strawberry. And all the fruits that you can possibly think of, the pit stopper can prevent. Next, we have our fish, and we're flaking our fish. We're getting all the scales off those fish because who wants to eat scales of fish? It makes you a mermaid if you eat scales of fish, and mermaids don't have legs, so we don't want to do that. Next, we're going to fillet the fish. Now we have a cucumber. It's a pretty average-sized cucumber, maybe even a bit above average. What do you guys think? All right, so we're chopping it up. We're using this. You could just, guesstimate the right things to cut it up, but we just won't do that. All right, and let's see the reveal. Nice! It's actually a zucchini. I was wrong. Next, we have a apple again. What are we gonna do? We're going to chop it into perfect compartmentalized pieces because we are organized people. Way too many hands. All right, the next thing is leaves. What are we doing with the leaves? We're getting some rice, putting them in the leaves, rolling it up into, wow, it is a roll leaf thing. Now we have some more dough, some more flour. We're patting it down. We're patting it down real good. We're getting a roller. We're gonna get a nice little design on our flour going on. Okay, so we're taking that. What does that do? Oh, it's perfect for making pies. Excellent. We can make a nice fruit pie. And now we have a twirler. We have a twirler because who doesn't want twirled vegetables? They're the best kind. They actually have more nutrients than any other vegetables. It's a statistic that I just made up, basically. So now we have a fruit gathering basket. All right, we're gonna take it out. All right, so no need to get anything to pour out your pasta. It's easy. You just cut a hole in the pasta. You can't use that box anymore. All right, hot water, no problem. We're gonna use it on this piece of poop. Oh, it's the sausage. Never mind. All right, so whoa, hey, buddy, buy me dinner first. Okay, so we're cutting up the sausage real nice, real good. Oh, hey, okay, twisting it up. All right, we don't like that method. Well protected. Excellent. You gotta protect your sausage as much as possible. Now we're rubbing our cucumber real nice and good. We're gonna do that. And now we're stacking up our cucumbers. What are we gonna do with them now? What are we gonna do with the stacked cucumbers? We're making basically like a ratatouille type thing going on. Next, we're gonna get dill. Dill is actually something that's used in something called tzatziki, which is pretty nice. Next, we have a pepper. Peppers are spicy, but this one, the more seeds, the more spicy, which you might have not known. But we're gonna chop it up real nice and tight. We're gonna chop it up real good. We're gonna put it all together with this thing. What are we gonna make with it though? You take it off and all of a sudden you have a lovely like cucumber dish. And then you have an avocado, which we're using a wine opener for some reason. It doesn't make any sense. I guess if it works, it works. That's the sort of things. Now we have butter. We have corn. We have corn, butter, and a whisk thing. Now we're popping some popcorn in the whisk thing. Nice. Excellent. Okay, now we have some ice. That gets rid of the bubbles, but that only cools it down temporarily, as you've commented before on our previous video where we tested that. And now the fish, you can actually boil off the scales. No idea. Didn't know that was a thing. Next, we have more leaves that we're rolling up. Leave roll, leave roll, leave roll. Over again. Flour in the pot. Stir the flour. Not not like that. Don't do that. We gotta do this. Okay, so we're doing it over this kind of sifting thing. And then you don't get it all over your freaking kitchen. You wouldn't want that, would you? You wouldn't want to ruin your kitchen. What would your wife think? She'd kick you out again. All right, so now we have these little tampons. All right, we're getting tampons and we're gonna take out the juices of the meat because meat juices belong in tampons. Now we have potatoes. Potatoes are good. Potatoes are nice. My family used to grow potatoes. Now they don't do that anymore. But lemon is a thing, and we're gonna use this technique against the knife. This is actually what professional chefs use, like Gordon Ramsay. They just kind of lemon it with pepper, and now we're opening a lid. There's so much happening all at once. It's crazy.
Excuse me, why?
This is one of the craziest videos I've ever seen, I think.
Really?
Maybe.
Wow, lucky you.
I don't know. I saw the Hunger Games like 50 times, and that was pretty crazy too. Okay, so we're having like different vegetables, like all up inside this. It looks like tapas, you know, like Spanish tapas, where they have like a million different little dishes for you to try.
Ah, okay, it's actually nice. Ooh, buy me dinner first.
Oh, dinner's expensive these days. I don't know if I would. Okay, so we have this like gross eel thing.
Yeah. Ooh.
What is?
Dang.
What is that? That's disgusting.
And here's the chicken.
That's so nasty. What is that? Okay, so we have this cool fish thing without a head. That's pretty scary. And she has no problem just ruining that fish.
Yeah.
She's a dangerous woman. Watch out for the fish lady. She scares me. All right. Can we not do this? Okay, how to crack a coconut.
Yes.
You know,
Easy
there's
way.
like more people that die from being having a coconut dropped on their head than from being attacked by sharks per year.
Seriously? Is it true fact?
It's a true fact, yeah.
Let us know in the comments.
best friend.
Is it
No, I'm
true
just
or
kidding.
no?
He's still around.
I need to Google it.
Okay, you Google it for us.
Yes, you Google it.
I promise I'm not fake newsing right now. Okay, so now we have like a nice garlic. We're chopping up some onion. I can't chop up onion. It's not for me. Because
Yeah.
like every time I chop up onion,
Yes.
I just like think about my ex-girlfriend. It makes me cry.
Only because this.
Yeah, no, not because of the onion has any like power over me. It's more about my
Of
ex-girlfriend.
course.
Okay, so now we have this like little. Oh my god, what are we doing? That looks scary.
What's happened actually? Can I hear the whole story about your ex?
No, no,
And
I don't
the
want to
onion
cry
connection.
again. Oh
Okay.
yeah, she just used to make a lot of onions for me.
Ah,
She
okay.
used to like it was her hobby. She liked chopping up onions a lot.
Ah, gotcha.
Every time I think about that.
Oh. Remove onion from the screen, please.
Guys, do you like onion? Let me know in the comments. And do you also connect them to the loss of your ex-girlfriend from your life?
I think you're really special, dude.
Thank you. I try. Okay, so now we have some almonds. And we're like putting them in
Yeah.
hot water. And that makes the skin fall off, I believe. Was I right?
Yes.
I was right.
Yes, you're right.
It's not often I'm right, so when I am, it just feels really good. It's like I'm proving my first grade teacher, Mrs. Larson, wrong about the fact that I'm gonna succeed in life.
Oh boy.
What's up, Mrs. Larson?
You're right.
Look where I am now.
He's famous.
Famous. Okay, so now we have some garlic, and that would smell like crap though. Like, honestly,
Yes.
if you just put garlic in your freaking microwave,
Yes.
first of all, no more vampires in the house. Okay?
Yes.
If they were there, they're not there anymore. But your house smells like garlic, and you need to
Yeah.
evacuate and move town.
Nobody will be in your house.
No.
Vampires,
If you want to
people-
bring any babes back to your crib, garlic in the microwave, number one way not to do that. It's so funny, like, how do I get a girl? Well, there's a lot of ways not to get a girl, and like, you're doing all of those.
Why?
Okay,
No,
so now
no,
we
no,
have a
it's-
fish.
Uh-huh.
I don't know, maybe you're a babe magnet. I don't know. Yeah, I could be wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let us know.
So now we have this fish, and we just descaled it. And now we have this weird fruit that I've never seen before, and for some reason we're
I don't know. What is this fruit?
Oh my gosh, is that
Is
garlic?
it garlic? No, I think it's something tasty.
Okay. Garlic's
Oh,
tasty.
only
It just
to-
smells like crap.
I actually like garlic. Sometimes I can eat it. No.
But like, if
With
you're
the
about
bread.
to smooch a babe and she has like garlic breath, does that not like?
No, of course.
Okay.
That's only days where we're far from each other. Then I can eat garlic.
You have like a restraining order on garlic days.
Yes.
Guys, would you smooch your dream girl if she had garlic all over her teeth? If her teeth were replaced with garlic, let me know down below.
Interesting question.
I only ask the most profound of questions. Like, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream? Let me know down below. Okay, whoa. That was pretty cool.
Okay. It was easy to cut to her.
Now we have a pineapple. Okay. What is he doing to that penny apple? Okay, so he's cutting this. But the middle's the worst part. Why do I want the middle? The middle
Is
has the
it?
part that you can't eat. Yeah.
I like the middle.
The middle?
Yeah, it's yes.
Uh,
I know what you're talking about. It's kind of, but it's tasty.
Yeah, but like you
Can
can't
add it.
consume it. Your teeth can't bite through it.
It depends from the pulp fraction.
Okay, well,
I mean,
you must have the freshest things in the world.
leave me alone with my middle part of the.
Okay. So now we have some cherries, and we're just popping those through. We have some corn. Ooh. I don't know why, but corn kind of reminds me of the same. It has the same look as like a honeycomb, you know,
Okay.
like where the bees make the honey.
Merrily.
If it's all together,
Yes.
you understand the connection I'm making there. So now we have a tangerine, and we're just injecting it with what?
Why?
Botox to make more tangerine? Is it steroids to make it have muscles? I don't know. It's stressing me out. This, I've actually used this before. They have a specific gadget to use to do that as well.
Yeah.
And it's pretty useless, actually.
We tried it together with the Clint.
Yes. Where is he, by the way?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm actually missing him out.
That's nice. Okay, so now I have some potato peeling, and it's time to end the reaction video now.
Yeah.
So leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see this character, more, let me know. Bye.